Hello students, today we will begin new chapter number 8, features of file management. Students, file management means how to organize your files. It means how you organize files and folders inside the computer system. Students, if your files are not organized in properly, then you are not able to find out the particular file on time. So it is better way that you have to organize the files in the proper manner so that whenever you require you can find it on time. So students, now what is a file? File is a collection of data. Data can be of text, image, audio and video files. So in our computer system generally we see audio files, video files, images, documents and other types of files. In audio files generally we see MP3 files and WAV files, and in images we see PNG or JPG files. In documents, .docx, that is Word file, .pptx, that is PowerPoint file, .xlsx, that is Excel file, .pdf, that is Acrobat file, and .pst, that is Photoshop file. So in this way we see these files inside our computer. So basically file is a collection of data and folder is a collection of file, programs and folders. Folders means a folder within a folder is known as subfolder. So in this chapter students, we will learn how to create a file. How to create a file. To create a file in Word, we need a common method. First we need a application software. So to create a file we are using the application software MS Word. Okay. Now to create a file we have to follow some steps. Step number 1, open the MS Word. See here, as you will open the MS Word, it will start with a blank page. See here, it is started with the blank page. Then start typing in MS Word to create the file. Okay, so in this way I create my file. After completing your work, save your file using File tab. Save your file using File tab. See here students, click on this File tab and choose the Save As option. As you will choose the Save As option, the Save As window will appear on the desktop. Okay, then choose the location. I choose here desktop. Then type the name of your file. Like I am giving the name of my file, COMPUTER, computer FILES, computer files. So with this name I am saving my file on the desktop. Now we will check on the desktop also after clicking on save button. Okay, now check on the desktop. See here on the desktop, computer files. This file is created on the desktop. So in this way we can create the file. Now next is creating a folder. To create a folder, first of all right click on the free space. See here, this is free space. Right click from the mouse, from the drop down menu choose new option, and from the new option sub menu will appear here. Choose this folder option. Okay, from this shortcut menu. As you will click on it, the new folder will appear. By default it will have the new name, new folder. Then type the name of folder at the cursor's position. Okay, see here, this is cursor's position. Type the name of folder softwares. Okay, and press enter key. A folder is created on the desktop. Now you can see this folder is created on the desktop. Okay students, now next we will learn after creating file and folder, moving file and folders from one location to another location. There are two ways to moving the files and folders: using copy and paste command, using cut and paste command. So first we will learn using copy and paste command. So come to the desktop. So first of all, to copy and paste file, just select the file, right click on it and click on the copy option. Okay, click on this drop down menu, copy option. As you will click, it will be selected from here. Then come to the location. Come to this location, like I am coming on the new volume E. It means E drive, and bring your cursor on the empty area. Then right click, okay, and from the drop down menu choose the paste option. See, your file is copied in the E drive. Your file is copied in the E drive. Now if you want to check, we can check that it is available on the desktop also. See here, this file is available on the desktop also. Now we will take next topic, cut and paste command. See here, this file I want to cut from here and paste on another location. So for this we will follow some step. First of all, select the file, right click on it and choose the cut option from this drop down menu. Okay, then bring your cursor, select to the destination wherever you want to paste this. Okay, in the same E drive I am going to paste it. So in the blank area, click on right click from the mouse and choose the paste option from this drop down menu. Now you will see, okay, it is not copying. We will take another file. How it will be copied? See, I am taking this file. Okay, so select this file again, cut and choose the location wherever you want to paste it. See, in the E drive I am going to save it. On the right click on the blank area and click on the paste option. As I will click, it is paste on this E drive. Now we will check on the desktop. It will be removed from the desktop. See here, on the desktop this file is removed. So in this way we can cut and paste the files and folders. Now rename a folder and file. Suppose I want to change the name of this file. So first of all, right click on this folder, select the folder and right click, then choose the rename option. Choose this rename option. The cursor will blink at the end of the text. Okay, type another name, that my data, and press the enter key. The name of file will be changed. Okay, now next is deleting a file and folder. Suppose I want to delete this file, this hardware folder from the desktop. Okay, for this right click on the right click on this folder, and as you will right click, the drop down menu will appear. Select the delete option from this drop down menu. As you will press delete key, it will be moved to the recycle bin. Now come to the recycle bin and check once this file is removed. See, hardware you will find in the recycle bin. We can get it back using the restore option. So right click on the folder and click on the restore option. You will get it back on the desktop. Come to the desktop and you can check. You will find this folder again on the desktop. Now if you want to delete the file or folders permanently, so again select the folder, okay, and press shift plus delete key from the keyboard. Okay, it will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? If you will press no, it will not remove. If you will press yes, then it will remove from your computer. I am going to press yes. Okay, then come to the recycle bin and check it again. You will see this folder is not available in this recycle bin. So in this way we can delete our folders permanently from our.
You're already aware of the term file. We know that files save our work in different forms like text, audio, video, and pictures. Files that store a mix of these types are called multimedia files. We also know how to create and save the files. When we have too many files, we take help of folders to organize our files. Folders are like partition of a cupboard where we keep our things tidy and organized. We can also understand the use of folders like cabinets in a library where various books are organized according to their genre and publication, etc. Accessing files and folders. The files and folders we create on the computer can be accessed and managed by the help of File Explorer window. Start button, then Windows System option, then PC or double-click on the This PC icon on the desktop. This PC has following two pans. Navigation pan. It is the left side pan that shows drives, folders and subfolders. It does not show or list the files. Content pan. It is the right side pan that shows the content of the folder or drive selected in Navigate pan. Creating a new folder. A folder can be created in a drive, folder, or on the desktop. We can create folders in different ways. Context menu or shortcut menu. Shortcut or context menu is displayed by mouse right-click. The steps to create a new folder are: open the This PC window. Open the location or drive where you want to create a folder. Right-click on the blank area, the context menu appears. Select the New option. A sub-menu appears. Click on the Folder option. A new folder is created and appears. Type a name for the folder and press the Enter key. Using Home tab. Open the This PC window. Open the location or drive where you want to create a folder. Click on the New Folder option in New Group. A new folder is created and appears. Type a name for the folder and press the Enter key. Opening a file or folder. The steps to open a file or folder are: open the location in the This PC window. Double-click on the required file or folder.
Copying and moving folder or file. To copy a file or folder, open Windows Explorer. Click the file or folder to be copied. Click Edit menu, Copy option. Now, select the location where we want to copy the file or folder. Click Edit menu, Paste option. To move a file or folder, open Windows Explorer. Click the file or folder to be copied. Click Edit menu, Cut option. Select the location where we want to copy the file or folder. Click Edit menu, Paste option. Deleting and restoring a file or folder. To delete a file or folder, right-click on the file or folder that we want to delete. Click the Delete option from the drop-down list that appears. Alternatively, press the Delete key on the keyboard. Click Yes on the confirmation box for deleting the selected item from the disk. Deleted file will be moved to the recycle bin. To restore a file or folder from recycle bin, open recycle bin from the desktop. Right-click on the file or folder that we want to restore. Click the Restore option from the drop-down list that appears. File will be restored to the same location from where it has been deleted. Searching a file or folder. To search for a file, click the Start button. Type the file or folder name in the Search Programs and Files box. The search results will appear. Simply double-click on a file or folder to open it.